Hello, this is me. This is a video on how to burn your own discs for GTAIV. All the links will be in the description. Right, first of all, you're going to need to download this software here, which is utorrent. And then you have to download the ISO, which will also be in the link. Here it is. Mine's at 81.3% at the moment downloading. And once this is downloaded, I'll restart the video and show you what's happened. Hello, I'm back. This is downloaded. It's now seeding in here. So now what you want to do is well, I'm going to move the files. You can do whatever you want with them. So delete it. This works 100%. So go to my files, downloads, GTAIV. Just drag it onto the desktop, because that's where I'm going to be using it. These is going to be for these mods are Evades v3.0 and Xbox Native Trainer. The link is in the description. How to open it and download it. These are the three mod files that you're going to need. First of all, we're going to run it through abgx360.go. And all you're going to do is go to autofix, level 3, search for your files, go to desktop, GTAIV, and then there's GTAIV, you burn. This will take about 2 minutes. This is for the PAL region. This is America. This is excluding China, and it doesn't include Australia. This will go through to the end. I'm going to pause it and bring it back. This will take about 2 minutes. Saying here, this is going to be quickest video as I can. Right, I'm back, and this is now finished going through. It's gone to 100%, as you can see. It's got everything's working like that. See, right. We'll come out of this. Right, now the things you're going to need for this, after you've downloaded this ISO, depending on your internet, about 5 hours. Right, so you're going to need Xbox Backup Creator. This is to swap out files. And you're also going to need image burn. This will burn the discs, which you need 8.5 dual layer discs. I recommend verbatim, just to show you quick how easy it is to find it. Oh. Just go on Google, then just type in Amazon. Once you load it up Amazon. Sorry, my internet's running quite slow. Right. So you go on here. Oh my days, I hate these bloody things. Right. 8.5 gigabyte DVD. Right, yeah, these ones 10 packs. You'll probably need. I definitely recommend verbatim. There, you can get them quite cheap. It's much cheaper to buy online than in store. But you can also buy like 5 packs, 5-pack special. Just make sure that you get dual layer, but I definitely recommend verbatim. Right, and it will look something like this in your in the drop down bar in the thing underneath. This is not my link for the mods. You're gonna need, and you're also gonna need. These are softwares you're gonna need, which are this three here, and you're also gonna need winwar. No, you're not gonna need winwar. Sorry about that one. Let's delete that one now. You've gone there. Right, you're not gonna need to know anything about this. I've just remembered. Gone. Right, now let's show you how to do this. The menus are here. Xbox 360. This is how you open it. Right. So you've done the run through in there. So if you hit Xbox Backup Creator. Sorry, I need to pause it for a second. Right, I'm back. I just had to check something out. Right, so here we go. We go to Image Tools, Image Browse, Open File. We're going to go down to GTAIV. Oh, it's open. So here you go. So if you decided to use other mods than the ones you'll get from me, here's the script network that we'll be replacing. But you can also sometimes get this file, the Xbox 360.rpf and the common.rpf. You just go, like what you do in the script network, you go replace and click the file and replace it. Right, so I'm going to extract these all, so I get a backup. Right, so let's extract the common to there. You don't have to do this, I'm just doing it for my purpose. These are files that you will replace. So this, you won't be doing anything like this. You'll be doing a little bit wrong. Right, so back to where we were. So you open it up like this, then you will go down to common, data, SID marriages. You have script network image, which is what you got here. So what you do is you go on that, then you go replace, and then you go to wherever you put it. I put mine on desktop for my videos. So you got the script network, click that, you replace that. Right, so now what you've done, I don't know if this is what you actually have to do, but this is what I've seen in some videos. It doesn't hurt if you do it. You have to close it down all like this. So you down to here, and then you go close image, but you can just exit out of it, and then this will come up. And once you've done that, you've edited, you've modded. So all you have to do is bring up image burn, let it load up. Then you go, once it's loaded up, there you go, right files disk, select what files you want, so we go desktop, script, no, not script network, bollocks. Done that wrong. It's supposed to go desktop, GTAIV, and this is important, right? So along here you have the ISO file and a disk image file. One's much bigger than the other. You want to use the smaller file, the 1 gigabyte, or whatever, kilobyte, whatever you want to call it. The disk image file there, double click that, make sure you do that, otherwise it will not work. Set write speed to 2.4 or it won't work. And then you need to go to Tools, Settings, then you need to go to Write, you need to use user specified. Then in here, in the link down below, you will have this layer break code. You need to make sure that's in. So I'm going to copy that like you would with you. Paste. So now that's in. That's the layer break code. And once you've done that, that's all you have to do. So you press OK, and then wait 1 second while I grab this. Right, got my disk. So just check that out. Put that in. Let it read. Just you got to remember that it's going to be 8.5 gigabyte dual layer. I would suggest if you're only going to mod the once, only buy the 5 discs. Right. So burning. So this is now burning. This is what it should look like. You just need to wait. If you hit an error, don't be afraid to comment below, and I will try and get back to you as soon as possible. But you should not hit an error. If you copied exactly as I've showed you, you should not get an error. Don't know what this is about. Keep the colour scheme and just stay with this one if that comes up. I don't know what that was about. I've never had that before, and I have been modding for about 5 months. So just let it do what it's got to do. Once when it gets to 1% complete, I will pause the video just to prove to you. It normally takes about 45 minutes to burn the disc. If it burns quicker than that, something's happened. Right, there you go, the buffer's happening. Now the device buffer will start happening and it will start completing. There you go, device buffer. And the buffer, all it do is keep going from 99 to 100%. It depends what mod you were doing it. Some mods go all the way down throughout it. It doesn't matter about the buffer bar really. Just a matter if it completes or not. You don't really need to verify, but if you want to double check everything's on there, I would suggest that. Right, so it's got to 1% now. So I'm going to come back to this, and I'm going to do a hot topping video on how to open your Xbox, and that'll be linked in the description as well when I get up to date with it. This will take me a couple of days. I'm hoping that I'm going to do it. Don't hold me by that. Right. So 38 minutes it's saying. So yeah, 45 minutes. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep following me for all new videos on how to do this. This script network link is not mine, it's someone else's. If it does get taken down, please comment and I will put up my own link for it. And I'm going to do a video on how to create your own freeze cars next, I think, actually.